Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP. Super simple. So here we have a table where we have two tabs. The first one is the orders, where I have a column with the ID and then other information, among them the city. And then I have another tab with the revenues, where I'll also have the ID and some other information. In that tab, I want to add the city from the other tab. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use VLOOKUP. I type equal VLOOKUP, and here I have to put some arguments. So the very first one is the common element between the two tables. That is my ID. Then I have to select the whole table from the other tab, which is here. I select it. Boom, done. Then the third element is the index. The index is simply the rank at which is the information I want from that table. Here I want the city, which is in the third column, so I type 3. That's it. And then, believe me, use false. That's an argument that you could use otherwise in other circumstances, but most of the time it's false. Equal, and here I have the city. If you want to use it for your whole table, you go on your table, just add dollars in front of the letters and the numbers. Here it is. You copy it, you paste it, boom. Here it is. It works. Enjoy.